Hello, what's going on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, X, TikTok, anywhere you are watching this video right now. It's Bert Ferguson, Realtor with the Rush Home team of Compass, serving Maryland, Delaware, and Pennsylvania. Coming to you guys right now with another video on market updates, but this time I'm going with another school district, which is Capital School District. So today is going to be the Capital School District market update video. If you know Capital School District, it gets crown jewel is going to be Dover High School with various middle schools and elementary schools scattered in between. I'm a product of Capital School District. I graduated from Dover High, so this one definitely hits home for me. So I can give you guys that information. Again, if you guys don't know, I come to you guys weekly or bi-weekly with videos that are relevant to the market or updates that you guys need to know, anything about the real estate industry or just some market information. So right now, if you live in the Capital School District, which is going to be Dover, some parts of Leipzig, Hartley, some parts of Kenton, right? Maybe some parts of Camden, but probably not. But anyway, Capital School District, here's the numbers. First of all, right now, the current average sales price of a home in Capital School District is going to be $314,000, which is up about $11,000 from last year. Last year in Capital School District around this time was $303,000. Now, another really big piece of data that I found important was that right now there's 72 homes that went on the market this month, while this same time in the month 30-day time frame last year, there were 77 homes that went onto the market. Now, this is a time frame from September 1st to September, end of September in 2023, and in this year of 2024. In September, 72 homes went on the market this year. September last year, 77 homes came on the market last year. All right. Now, the number of homes sold were going to be 144 this year, but 122 in the month of September last year. All right. So now that was actually the number of homes for sale. So the number of homes for sale was 144 this year and 129 last year. So we actually have more inventory than we do this year in September than we did last year in September. But one of the telling numbers is there were 51 closed sales in September of this year with 63 closed sales last year. Now, if you remember, that was kind of our time frame where we did have some interest rate hikes. We've had some people pull their homes off of the market. We had a lot of buyers come out of contracts. So that could explain why we would have more homes on the market than we did last year, but we had more sales. We had less sales this year than we did last year, okay? Now, the number of days on market from September of 23 to September of 24 are very close. 31 this year, the average day on market in September of 2024 was 31 days. The average days on market for September of 2023 was 27 days, okay? So not that much change, but we are seeing a steady increase on the amount of times homes are sitting on the market in Capital School District. Why do you think that is? You let me know in the comments. All right, so now we've also got 2.8 months of supply versus 1.4 last year. So the supply lets us know, okay, if no other homes come on the market next month, or really ever, how much more time, how much inventory do we have to last until there's 0 homes left? Right now, we've got 2.8, almost 3 months of inventory versus last year, we only had 1.4, almost 2 months, less than 2 months of inventory available for last year, all right, for September of last year, okay? So these are some very telling numbers. If you are in Capital School District, you now know that $314,000 was the average sale price for 2024 of September. But for 2023 September, the average sale price was $303,000. And that's a very big metric. You also know that now the days on market are creeping up. So you've got prices going up, but days on market creeping up. Does that mean we're coming into a buyer's market? That's for us to see. So thanks guys for watching. Now you guys know a little bit more about Capital School District and what the numbers are doing. And if you are looking for the average home under the average sale price in the Capital School District area, you now know $314,000 is what it takes. Well, what is the average home? 3-bed, 2-bath, anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 square foot. 2,000 square feet. It's gonna cost you about $314,000. Keep that in mind when you go and you're looking at homes or you're talking to lenders, all right? If you have any other questions, you can reach out to me on my cell, 302-204-1347, and that's the Capital School District Market Report. Thanks, guys. See ya.